Hello everyone and welcome to Grinds Online Ireland. My name's Tara and today we'll be going through the product rule. So the product rule is one of the rules that we use in differentiation when we can't use the normal integrals like x to the power of n or sine or cos. So there's the three rules, the product, the quotient and the chain rule. We use the product rule when we have two functions being multiplied by each other. So one example of where we would use the product rule would be when a function y is equal to x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. Here we have two functions, one which is x plus 2, one which is x minus 2, and they're multiplying by each other. Another example would be where we have y is equal to x squared multiplied by sine of x. So our first function here is x squared and our second function here is sine of x. The first step with solving this derivative to find dy dx is to label the two functions. So we're going to label the first one u and the second one v. So if we call u is equal to x squared and v is equal to sine of x. Our next step when doing the product rule is to find the derivatives of both u and v. So du dx, that is simply just 2x, and dv dx then is equal to sine of x. Now the next rule is substituting in uv, du dx and dv dx into the product rule formula, which is given by u multiplied by dv dx plus v multiplied by du dx. If we substitute in each of these into the formula, what we'll get is dy dx is equal to u, which is x squared, multiplied by sine of x, which is dv dx, and then we'll have plus v, which is sine of x, multiplied by du dx, which is 2x. And we can tidy this up by writing it as u squared sine of x plus 2x sine of x. And if we wanted to go a bit further, we could factorize out x sine and x and sine of x, and we'll get x and sine of x outside, and inside then the brackets we're just left with x plus 2. So the final answer, the derivative of dy dx when y is equal to x squared multiplied by sine of x is x multiplied by sine of x multiplied by x plus 2.